Want to replace your oven door handle? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver and a new door handle. Step 1. Remove the glass plate from the door. Open the door, loosen the lock of the glass plate and remove the glass plate from the door. Hold the door down to prevent slamming shut or set it at a 45-degree angle. Step 2. Remove the old door handle. Loosen the screws of the door handle and remove the old door handle. Step 3. Place the new door handle. Insert the new door handle and tighten the screws again. Step 4. Put the glass plate back in place. Replace the glass plate in the same place. Reattach the locking of the glass plate. Close the door. You have replaced the door handle and the oven is ready to use again.